Man, fuck this hat. Nigga like me smoke weed every day. Nigga like me high all the time. The fuck up, one shot, one kill. What the deal? Learn this from my own G. Shit is real. One shot, one kill. What the deal? Learn this from my own G. Shit is one shot, one kill. What the deal? Learn this from my own G. Shit is real. Paid niggas all around. One phone call, it's going down. Click full of psychos, goon in some tight clothes. Need my paper straight, no typos. Right flows, but really got on break. I'm in the studio, I make sure the shit you call a dream is what I really call my life. From my city, Harlem night, you niggas silly. This the Berg, not Philly. Niggas though, that Willie on them bikes. These niggas fans, they just sitting. Talk about plans they ain't been in. Even rock brands they don't fit in. Ain't gotta go to France, spend 100 bands. Gotta understand, damn, I can't stand fake niggas. I can't stand fake niggas. They be talking about shit, they got that shit though. I can't stand fake niggas. Walking how I talk it, if I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I tell her park it, I'ma hit it like a walking how I talk it, if I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I tell her park it, I'ma hit it like a walking how I talk it, if I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I park it, I'ma hit it like a target. Oh shit, he blowing up your phone again. Must ain't let him know you ain't coming home again. Leave that man alone, could be doing better. Do it on your own, could be on a jet, flying around the globe. Baby, we gon' smoke the whole zone. Burning kush till our ass gone. Cell phone by the remote control. When your girlfriends call, they just get the tone. Paper wild long. Try to draw the line between person, business, but these niggas feelings like bitches. Mobbing through the trenches, always on the mission. Rules to the game, start the competition. Khalifa Kush keep me high to where I don't wanna speak. In jail, two things I don't wanna be. You talk tough, but you click nervous, wash 'em up. Get that quick detergent, then we done with 'em. It's gotta be somebody blame. It's a shame. I can't stand fake niggas. Can't stand fake niggas. Fake ass. Niggas. Dog. Damn. Whoa. 28 grams. 28. Turn this from my own in a bag in my hand. Wonder how I talk it, if I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she got a damn. Hit it like a target. just warning you now. If I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I tell her park it. I'ma hit it like a target. Fuck how I talk it. If I roll it, I'ma spark it. If she bad, I tell her park it. I'ma hit it like a target. One shot, one kill. What the deal? This from my OG. Shit is real. Made niggas